Okay. So, why time zone management matters? Walang basa-basa muna neto. Walang magbabasa. Based on your, opinion. Based on your opinion, guys,
Well, as what you've mentioned earlier, Coach, yung confusion between you and the client or the clients that you will be setting up schedule with. So kung dalawa sila magkaiba ng time ng lugar, like for what you've mentioned sa example mo, US and then UK, syempre magkaiba yung time zone ng dalawa, di ba?
Tapos isa ka pang papagitna kasi for example, magjo-join ka sa meeting. Paano mo mapagtutugma yung tatlong
Yung
oras?
tatlo. True.
Okay? Kasi kasama ka pa sa meeting. Tapos kasama sa client mo. And then iba pang client. Hindi